Hello, my fifth grade friends. Welcome to Spelling Word List Week 3. So this is week 3. Yoo! So in this spelling list, we are going to practice the suffix able. A-B-L-E, able. And the word able, or the suffix able, basically means being able to do it or able to be or inclined to be. So anything with the ending able is to be able to or to be. So let's take a look at our able list words for the spelling list. So we have desirable, which is the ability to be desired or to be able to be desired. Excitable, or to be able to excite. So if something is excitable, it's something that could be exciting or interesting. Breakable, able to break, right? It's something that we could break. Notable is to be able to note. So for example, what we are learning right now is notable. It is something you are going to use, you want to remember. Tolerable, guys, this is really, really important, especially for this time of day. When you are tolerable, you're able to allow or tolerate. Tolerable is I encourage or accept differences. So it's really good for right now. And then questionable, to be able to be questioned, right? So if you do something interesting, something different, and your mom's like, what are you doing? That is questionable. Let's take a look at our spelling list for the week. And I challenge you to listen to the words and practice the spelling words, and maybe even in the middle of the week, re-watch this video and put a sheet or something over your camera, over your screen, so you cannot see the words and compare them maybe. Alrighty, let's do this. Spelling word list 3, constant. Constant. 2, Africa. Make sure that's capitalized because it is a continent, Africa. 3, killed. Killed. 4, melody. Melody. 5, bottom. Bottom. Like 6, Florida. Florida is a state in America. Florida. 7, secret. Secret. 8, tumble. Tumble over, fall on the ground. 9, afterwards. Afterwards. 10, cathedral. Cathedral. 9, desirable. Desirable. 12, excitable. 13, breakable. 14, notable. 15, tolerable. 16, questionable. 17, hundredth. And guys, that is what we are learning, right? Got decimal fractions. Hundredth. 18, thousandth. 19 is tenth. 20 is millionth. So all of these are decimal fractions. Alrighty. That is our spelling word list for this week.